Another penny boat. These have all been 3D printed in 1 hour. So all of the boats have the same amount of filament. Ooh, hard to get one on there. Ooh, really hard to get one on there. Let me see if I can try to get one on there.
Hop diggity dog! Oh, diggity dog!
This is a challenge.
Hop diggity dog! Hop diggity dog!
Interesting.
Put 2 on the sides, like equal it out.
Well, we'll try. Oh, I don't think we're getting any this way. Let's try it this way.
Yeah, there's so many pennies doing it.
That's okay. I know where they're at.
Wait, you said friend. Oh.
1.
Wow. That's 2.
Friend.
That's 2 on there.
Yeah.
Ghost. 3.
Watch friend. How much did you get the most?
3. It holds 3 without tipping over.